This is Dr. Shida Tikku speaking about proton affinity for class second year. Proton affinity. In gaseous state, qualitative measure of the basicity of a base is given by proton affinity. The amount of energy released when 1 mole of base accepts proton is known as proton affinity. For example, this a gas is accepting one proton, BH gas and Pa. This is known as 1 mole of proton affinity. The energy occurring according to this whole cycle is known as Born-Haber cycle, in which the gas dissociates into two parts, then it accepts a proton, and then it changes into a solid part. This is known as Born-Haber cycle. For example, D is equal to 1 is equal to Pa, and Pa is equal to I minus D plus E. Next is the table which shows the proton affinity of main anions and neutral molecules. Anions are hydride ion, anion, nitrosyl anion, hydroxyl anion, fluoride, chloride, etc. And neutral compounds are hydrogen molecule, methane, ammonia, water molecule, hydrogen fluoride, HCl, oxygen, etc. From the closer look, those of the above table, we find that the proton affinity of anions decreasing on moving down the group and increases when going up the group. This is it is clear that a group that with basic character decreases with decrease in size. On the other hand, acidic character increases with decrease in size. So, ammonium hydroxide gives ammonia plus water molecule. The next is an example which is following the reaction which will occur between a proton and its basicity. Ammonia and phosphine react and form triphenylphosphine plus ammonia. Then phosphine plus ammonia again react to form ammonium plus phosphine. Then again ammonium plus trimethylphosphine react to form trimethylphosphine plus ammonia. Next example is the Pa value for ammonia is 858, pH3 800, triphenylphosphine is 915. Then complete the following reaction. Such reactions are completed by calculating the hydration energy. On the basis of the formation, the cation can be written as H minus plus OH gives OH plus, and its formation energy will be 16.35. Hydrogen plus OH minus gives H2 plus OH minus. Then according to the Born-Haber cycle, hydrogen plus acid forms hydrogen plus cation plus anion. Then the cation and anion convert into aqueous solution and then combine to form hydrogen plus anion. Strength of Bronsted acid bases. According to Bronsted and Lowry, strength of acid depends upon its proton donor capacity, and strength of base depends on its proton acceptor capacity. Similarly, greater the tendency of a base to accept the proton, greater its strength. These type of strength can be calculated by calculating dissociation constants. The dissociation constant has the molar ratio divided by the total content of the compound. This type of calculation gives us the basicity constant and the acidity constant. This type of basicity and acidity makes the role of autophotolysis concept of a subject lie in accepting the strength of a base on the base of the strength of its conjugated acid. This type of reaction is taken under ammonium and water molecule, which produces ammonia plus hydronium ion. Strong and weak acids and bases. The strength of strong and weak acids and bases depends on their capacity of giving hydrogen ions in water, and for bases the capacity of accepting the hydrogen ions in water. That means the water HCl is a very good acid, and sodium hydroxide is also a very influential acid with a great strength in which it has to lose as hydrogen and the other one has to accept the hydrogen atoms.